Hello everyone, this is Dana. Welcome to my video. Today I want to talk a very meaningful story, the fox and the giraffe. Please look my video.
There have a story told us a sense. When people are frustrated, crowded, or unsatisfactory, they will make some excuse and find some reasons to comfort themselves. They have a yard, it is Giraffe's yard. One hot summer's day, a fox was walking through an old yard. They stopped before a branch of grass. He was ripe and juicy. He said, "I just feeling thirsty," he thought. So he backed up a few paces, got a running start, jumped up, but couldn't not reach the grass. He walked back. 1, 2, 3. He jumped up again, but still he missed the grass. The fox tried again and again, but never succeeded. At last, he decided to give it up. He walked away with his nose in the air and said, "I'm sure they are south."